Hey, how you doing, guys? Got some interesting news for subscribers to Spectrum Internet and TV. They have Spectrum has finally announced the Spectrum app on the Apple TV. So that's kind of exciting news. Um, Now, to get the Spectrum app to work, you do have to have television and internet service with Spectrum. Um, It's also the first cable app to be able to be used without signing in, like some where you have to download the app and then you got to use some security code to hook up to your cable service. This does it seamlessly. It just knows when you connect wirelessly and the Spectrum, I guess, signal coming in. Now, not only that, but I know this is something I wasn't happy with before. Spectrum went all digital. So for each HD TV, you have to have a separate cable box, which of course also includes a monthly box rental fee as well, which I wasn't happy with. But utilizing the Apple TV, you can just simply buy that, put the app on there, and you could put it on all your televisions that use it. Also, to celebrate their launch of the Spectrum app, they will also offer the 4K Apple TV for a monthly fee of $7.50 a month for 24 months. Now, technically, I haven't found if you actually own the Apple TV or once the 24 months up and you disconnect your service, then you have to return it. I'm not sure, but I think it's still a good deal. You're not necessarily paying any more fees on top of that. Now, I do also have the Spectrum app on my Roku TV in the bedroom, so I do know it works quite well, and I can get my, pretty much like its own cable box, so I know it does work. I also got some exciting news with Spectrum for myself as well. I was kind of talking to them, and I was wanting to perhaps upgrade my internet from 30 megabits per second to maybe 50 or something. It turns out I'm eligible for the 100 megabits per second upgrade, and since I went from Time Warner Cable to Spectrum, I was kind of grandfathered in with the old service. If I get the new service, I'd actually get it cheaper. I think I was paying maybe I think total of 180, so it'd actually go down about around 160. So I'll be getting a little bit more than 3 times my internet speed. They're going to be for some reason they're going to have to send me another cable box. I do already have the DOCSIS 3, so it technically should work, but I guess there's other technology in there to be able to reach the 100 megabits per second speed. Unfortunately, also, it seems like the customer consumers only get 5 megabits per second upload speed, and that's all you ever get. But even though I don't do streaming now, I may do it in the future, and 5 megabits per second upload speed should be fast enough for most of my use, and the 100 megabit per second download speed is going to be much more than I'd probably ever use. But it is great to have that speed as far as the time waiting to download or upload, because I often upgrade computers and applications and other things, so that definitely will speed things up as well. So I may release a video on that as well. It seemed to be very popular when I did the Time Warner Cable upgrade kit. That was very popular on that one. So thanks you guys for watching, and see you guys later.